Find the HCF of 9 and 30. Okay, HCF already have learned how to find. First you will write the factors of 9, then you will write the factors of 30, then you have to find the common factor. So which number can divide 9 you have to find out. So 1 can divide, 2 cannot divide because this is an odd number. Again 3 can divide. So after 3, 4 cannot divide because it is an odd number, 4 is an even number. Again 5 cannot divide. 6 cannot divide because 6 is even, this is odd. 7 cannot divide, 8 cannot divide, so only 9 can divide. Now 30 if we take, 1 can divide. Again 30 is an even number, so 2 can divide. Again 30 comes in 3 tables, so 3 also can divide. Again 4, this is not coming in 4 table, no, so 4 cannot divide. Again 5, it is ending in 0, so 5 can divide. Again 6, so in 6 table 30 comes. If it is 2 3s are 6, no, so if it is divisible by 2 and 3, so surely it is divisible by 6 also. Again 7, 30 doesn't come in 7 table, so 7 will not come. Again 8, 30 doesn't come in 8 table, so it will not come. In other way, 2 4s are 8. When 4 cannot divide 30, then 8 also cannot divide. Okay. Again 9, in 9 table 30 doesn't come, so it cannot be divided. Again 10, since it is ending in 0, so 10 can divide. Then after that 11, prime number cannot divide. Again 12, it doesn't come in 12 table. Again after 12, again 13 table doesn't come. 14, 15 table it comes, so 15 can divide. Okay, so last again 30 will come, that's all. Okay, so this is the way you have to find. Now you have to write the common factors. So in this both, which are common, that you have to write. So which are common? 1 is common, again 3 is common. So 1 and 3 you will write. So now HCF is, so in this which is the bigger number? 3 is the bigger number. So HCF is the 3. HCF is 3. So this is the way you can find the HCF. Okay. In another method, this is using the factor we find the HCF. Another one, you can use the division method. You have learned short division, so that way you can do the division method. Okay, so let me write the division method here to find the HCF for 9. First you will find for 9. Okay, so divide 9 using the short method. So you have to use only the prime numbers, okay, when we use this method. So prime numbers are only up to 10. I am writing 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, these are the prime numbers. Okay, this is an odd number, so 2 cannot divide, so you will take 3. 3 3s are 9. Again you will divide. 3 only can divide 3, so 1. So now prime factors of 9 is 3 into 3 into 1. This is the prime factors of 9. Again now for 30 you have to find again. Okay, so you have to use only these numbers. Okay, so you can go with the 2 because it is an even number. You can divide by 2. Otherwise it is ending in 0, so you can use 5 also. So I am using the bigger number, so it will finish fast. So 5, since how many 5s are 30s? 5 6 are 30. Now 6 even number, so you can divide by 2. So how many 2s are there in 6? 3. Again 3 can be divided by only 3. So 3 1s are 3. So now 30 you can write 5 into 2 into 3 into 1. So whatever is here, this is the one only you will write. Okay. So now see here for 9 and 30, this is the prime factors. Okay. So now common factors you take and write the common factors. Which are common? Only the common one you will write. So what is common here? 3 is there. For 1 3, here is 1 3 is there, so 3 you can write. But for this 3 there must be another pair here, then only you can write 3. Okay, but only one pair is there, another pair doesn't have pair here. Okay, so you cannot write this 3. So now again 1 is common here, so this you will write 3 into 1. Okay, now 5 has no pair here and 2 also has no pair here, so this 2 you cannot write. Only which are having pair in here, that only you will write. Okay, so now you have to multiply and write, that is the HCF. So HCF equal to 3 1s are 3. Okay, see both HCF is same, so you can use the factors and do, otherwise you can use this method, which is easy for you that way. Okay, only the main thing is you have to find the HCF. So both the way you can use any method. Okay, now after finding the HCF, by this HCF you divide the numerator and the denominator, then it will finish faster. Okay, so 9 by 30. So the HCF is 3, so we will divide by 3. So how many 3s are 9? 3 3s are 9. And how many 3s are 30? 10 3s are 30. That's all. The answer is over. So that after reducing the fraction, we have got 3 by 10. Okay, now let's do 42 divided by 63. Let's reduce this fraction. Listen here, but I prefer using the division method to find the HCF, because in factors you may miss any factor sometime. You may finding it difficult to find which number can divide. So that way you can miss any factor. If you miss any factor, then you cannot find the common factors. Okay, so division method you can find it. And to find the HCF, I find it some parents are teaching you this way all together, doing in one division. Okay, so this for small children it will be difficult for you to understand, so I don't want you to do two numbers together. This you can do it in higher classes when you are able to do. So now we are small children, just you are beginner, so begin with the beginning. If you don't do slowly, it will collapse, no? So we will start with the basic method. So first we will find the prime factors of 42. So this is an even number, so we will divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4. In 4 there are 2 2s are there. Now in 2 there is 1 2 is there. Okay, now 21. This last number is 1. So this is an odd number. So only odd number can divide this number. So the odd prime number after 2, the next odd prime number is 3. So you can check whether it can divide by 3. 2 plus 1, 3, no? Since the sum of the digit is 3 and 3 can divide by 3, so this number can be divided by 3. So in 3, how many, in 27, how many 3s are there? 7 3s are 21. Okay, now 7. Here also, now prime numbers you must by heart. So 5 7. 7 is a prime number. So 7 can be divided by only 7. No other number can divide. So we can finish it now like this. So 42 equal to, the prime factors of 42 is this number you have to write in multiplication. You cannot write in comma, you have to write in multiplication. Okay, here multiply symbol should be there, not a comma. Comma you should not write. Okay, now the same way we will find the prime factors for 63. Okay, 63 is an odd number here, 3 ending in 3, so it is an odd number, so 2 cannot divide. 2 is an even number, so you have to check by 3. So divisibility by 3 means sum of the digit must be divisible by 3. So 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 comes in 3 table, no? So 9 can divide 3, that means this number can be divided by 3. So 3 we can divide. So in 6 there are 2 3s are there, so 3 2s are 6. Again in 3 only 1 3 is there, 3 1s are 3. Okay, now 21. Already we have done now how to do. So same way you can do 21 odd numbers. Only odd number can divide. So we will again divide by 3. So this will be 7. So 7 is a prime number. Only 7 can divide. So 1. So now 63. The factors, prime factors of 63 is 3 into 7 into 1. Okay. So now common factors. So what are the common factors here? For this 2 there is no pair, so you cannot write 2 there. So for this 3 there is 1 pair is there. So for this 2 3 common, only 1 3 you will write here. Again multiply. Again for this 7 we have got another pair here. So for this both the number 7 we will write 1 7 here. Again for this 1 we have got 1 here. So commonly we will write only 1. Only this 3 and 2 has no pair, so we will leave it. Which are not having pair, we will leave it. So now the HCF will be, you have to multiply and write. 3 7s are 21. 21 into 1, 21. Okay, so the HCF is 21. So you have to divide this number by 21. So we have to write it down, but I have no space, so I am writing here. So now 42 by 63 divide by 21. By the common factor we are dividing. Okay, so 21 table you can write it in the side corner, so you will know. I am writing it short form. So 21 table how to write, I have told you. This is when double digit 21. So this is here one table. So one table will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't need much number, no? So I am stopping it here. So now 2 table is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, so now 21 table will be 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are 42. Since it is single digit, you can write as it is 42. 21 threes are 63, 21 fours are 84, 21 fives are 105, 21 6 are 126, 21 sevens are 147. This way it will go. Okay, so now 42 divided by 21. So 42 is how many times? It is 2 times. So 42 divided by 21 is 2. Again 63 is how many times? It is 3 times. So 2 by 3. So this is the reduction of the fraction what is given there. So this is the way you can reduce. So I have taught you different methods. So which is easy for you, that method you follow. Whatever I have given today, that way if you write, I will give the marks. But if you write in shortcut only the answer, that way I cannot bear up and I won't give the marks, and I also will reduce the marks. If you reduce the steps, I also will reduce the marks. Okay, so do it for 2 marks or 3 marks, means how much you need to write, that much you write. Okay, thank you. Do the homework and send.